Assalamu alaikum and greetings. This is Rhadiyah with the Exceptional Woman webinar series, and I welcome you to this new episode. In this particular one, we will be discussing none other than the Ramadan Reset. I do have a very special guest who will be talking about what the Ramadan Reset is, and it is none other than YaQutullah Ibraheem Muhammad. So, a little bit about YaQutullah. Her areas of expertise are in international and halal nutrition, recipe development, and analysis. So, I'm going to talk just a brief bit about this recipe development piece of hers. For those of you that I keep hearing from you that you can't cook, um, or you're interested in creating recipes, you want to utilize the sister's talents in this area. And if you want to know how many grams of fat, how many calories and protein that are in the recipes that you create, she definitely would be able to assist you with that, insha'Allah bismillah. And also she has an expertise in obesity and weight management, as well as vegetarian nutrition. And so the only thing I want to say about the vegetarian piece is that we do need more vegetables in our diet. So, utilizing her for this area would be great for you and for your family, inshallah, bi'ithnillah. And also, project management, alhamdulillah. Um, so here's another look at Yakutala. She is the owner of Nutrition Prescriptions LLC, which is a consulting practice that specializes once again in weight management, recipe development and analysis, nutrition education, and women's wellness. Alhamdulillah, Allahumma barak. She has completed certificate programs in federal acquisition and program project management and adult weight management, is also a member of the Georgia Dietetics Association, and serves as treasurer, secretary, and social media committee chair for the religion member interest group. Alhamdulillah, Allahumma barak. Further, Yakutullah has earned her bachelor's degree in nutrition and a master's degree in health sciences and nutrition from Georgia State University. And she has also written for halal nutrition focused magazines, as well as developed curriculum materials for the VA Whole Health for Life Wellness program. And she's also developed recipes and nutrient analysis for a cookbook, and is currently writing part of a Cultural Food Practices Second Edition, which is a publication of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Um, so we're going to talk more about her on the day that we have the webinar. So I hope you will join us, as there's much more to her bio than what I have read. But to get to know her a little more on the personal side, Yakutullah is married and has been happily for the past 7 years. Alhamdulillah, Allahumma barak. She is also an athlete. And she runs with other Muslims and for various causes. So you will see her participating in things such as that. And this is something else that she does. So if you have some interest in athleticism, this is something that she can also assist you with, inshallah. And lastly, the actual webinar will take place, inshallah, on Sunday, April 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So no matter where you are in the world, unless, the timing isn't good for you for whatever reason, um, you want to go ahead and register so that you can attend. And even if you can't attend, there will be a replay. So no worries there. So that link will be in the description box below. So be sure to click and register, inshallah. And I hope to see you all there. Again, this is with regards to our Muslim sisters in the community, who I have found personally, and others have shared with me, other sisters that they know that they feel are exceptional, and we are showcasing their talents and knowledge for the community at large. And this is not exclusive to um, just Muslim women. This is open as our religion and the call to Islam has been to all of mankind, but we are just highlighting the Muslim sisters, our Muslimas in the communities globally. So, with that being said, just a little plug. If you feel you are exceptional or you know other sisters who are, I want to meet them, inshallah. And so be sure to reach out to me with regards to how you can be featured as a guest or, how you can let me know who you think I should have as future guests on this particular platform, inshallah. Thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.